Okay, so I'm adding a 15 amp power inlet shore power plug to my enclosed trailer. Essentially all I wanted to be able to do was be able to run some lights in the trailer and charge the battery I have in the trailer. That's it. I'm not trying to run drills or anything else off of it. So 15 amp power inlet will be more than enough for me. I found this one, I believe it was on Amazon for like 16 bucks. So it called for, on the back here, it'll tell you, it called for drill an 1 7/8" diameter hole where the inlet's going to attach and then screw it together. So I didn't have an 1 7/8", didn't feel like buying one to spend extra money, so I used the 1 3/4", and then I just wallered the hole out a little bit to get it big enough. So you can see the unit comes in and through the back of the wall there. Move this, that's a power cord for our air conditioning in here, but we don't plan on running that anymore. So you can see it sticks in through the wall some. So that might be the only downside to it. It's recessed and it goes in the wall nice. You have to excuse my mess, but so it's gonna come in there. So what I bought was this here, 1 gang extension ring. And so you can see inside there's some mounting screw holes in there. And so instead of mounting it to another gang box and on, I'm gonna actually mount it like that over top. And then that'll give, I'll be able to run my power out from the 2 sides, 3 sides, well, all 4 sides on this one I can run power out. And then it comes with the plugs. So I think this was like 9 bucks. So I'll have that and I'm gonna run power out. And then, let's see. I have my connectors for connecting it to, my cover plate, some clips for putting the wires in, and then I'm going to put in a couple outlets, and I have a junction box there that has these covers. So it's got a regular outlet cover, square outlet, and then it's got a toggle switch for a light. So and I'm gonna put that, probably gonna mount it up here somewheres, probably in the, right about this area. So I can show you. So I have all my stuff up there to make it easy access when I'm trying to get in, and so there's nowhere for a switch on that side now. I have my switches there. Those are my LEDs that run off the battery. So I have my my left side, my right side, and that's my rear light. And this is just one I ran. I'm looking at putting one on the front here. I just haven't done it yet. So I have the wire ran for it. I just haven't decided what kind of light I want up there. So, and then I have drawers that go in here. I took them out right now. So the plan is to run power in here, up to the top, and then power along the bottom edge here between the compartments over to here where I keep my battery. And I've not decided whether I want to put an outlet in the compartment or just outside the compartment. I think I may end up putting one inside the compartment. Maybe I'll run it and put it way up here. So put it up on the top here, and then I can plug that in and have it. So here, I'll give you a look real quick. There it is there. That's on the outside. It came out good. Part of the reason it sticks inside is because that's what it looks like. So you have to orientate it in this direction because there is a weep hole on the bottom down here, so water go out. That's the only thing I didn't really like, because it's gonna put the water inside the trailer, but I figured if you keep the cap closed, you should keep water out. It's got a rubber seal that this is attached to. Sorry, that this is attached to. It's got a rubber seal that this is attached to. So, and this seal on the outside here, it takes some pushing to get it in there. It's a nice seal. I like it. So, I don't see water actually going in through the front there. But, I just wanted to show this to anybody that was doing it themselves. We used to run, you can see the cord there right now. So we'll plug it up to our camper or our generator and get power. But we used to run it underneath and then up through a hole inside the bottom, like so, and then plug in what we needed. And the only downside was somebody's got to climb under there and feed it up there in there every time. So this was to make it easier. So, hope that helps.